A regular event we have every year is that of camps. It's not just any camp, it's a spiritual empowerment camp. So the objective is not just fun, not just to bring back memories, but to also bring back some knowledge with you so that you can keep it for life. So this camp that we go on is for about a week, and it has three components: one of study, the second of reflection, and the third of application. So in the study, since we tend to believe more on what is written down, we study books, and this study is not limited to a classroom. So we don't have a teacher, we have facilitators who help us to they raise questions, and we all can consult a spiritual concept, and everyone has some idea about it, so it just enhances the understanding about the concept. Then the second component of reflection is usually a presentation, maybe any kind of presentation, as we do it in groups. We study the books in groups, so this presentation helps to bring up the ideas that every group has about a certain concept, and then together we all can draw a conclusion from whatever discussions have taken place in each group. And the third component of application, usually has the enjoyable part of the camp. Of course the study and all the other things are also enjoyable, but this part is going out into the real world, into our society, and exploring different things based on science, religion, and also applying the concepts that we have learned. So for example, in a study session, if we learn how to consult with junior youth, in the application part we go out in a school and we talk to junior youth and converse with them about something that they really experience every day. And so we are gaining some knowledge about their lives, and they are also gaining some more knowledge about the outside world that they have to go into, and have implement service and help the others. So the camp is something that we look forward to, not just to enjoy, but to learn something and become better human beings.